Start by bringing the needle up from behind the fabric. Pull the thread all the way through. Bring the needle down about 4 mm from the starting point, and that's the first stitch. Now leave around the same length as the first stitch and bring the needle up from behind the fabric again. Continue stitching, making sure that the length of the stitches and the gaps are the same. You can change the look of the running stitch by adjusting the length of the stitches and the gaps between them. Here I'm making longer stitches and shorter gaps.